Howdy folks, so today we're going to talk through a little bit of how you're going to go and do Lab 1. Now you can look up the Protractor app and the goniometer app, and that's going to be the easier way to go about this for what you're going to be doing at home. Now really we're just looking at the angles and the ranges of motion that we have at these different joints. Now in a perfect world we have our happy little goniometer where we're going to actually be able to see your start position and then how many degrees you're going to go ahead and move from there. So for example, when we're talking about going into flexion of the shoulder, it's how far up we can go up and behind us. And then we go into extension and then hyperextension, it's however far we can get behind us. When we're going to go ahead and look at external rotation, it's how far we're going to be able to open up behind. Internal rotation coming on in. When we've got then elbow flexion, elbow extension, and so on and so forth. You're going to go ahead and use that goniometer, so you're going to go ahead and measure it. Now, if you don't have the ability to use the app, what you can go ahead and do is just take a little video of yourself with your phone, make sure you've got it set up so you can see the angle, and then from there, you're going to go ahead and measure, if I'm starting here, and then I make it all the way up, and then I look at that in the app, how many degrees did I move through? I'm not expecting perfect numbers, but what I am looking for is for you guys to understand how many degrees these joints can go ahead and move. So, take your time. If you have questions, always feel free, shoot me an email. We'll be more than happy to go ahead and talk it through. But hopefully this is relatively easy, and that all we're going to be looking for is the angles that we're going to be able to get our joints to move through. Now, obviously certain things like working with our hips can be a little bit trickier. Obviously a lot of us aren't as flexible. Don't do anything that's to the point of pain. Just move yourself however far through you can actively, not worrying about trying to go deep into the pain cave, because that's not a happy place for anybody. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.